Hi, I'm Kaito, as you know, and if you are really seeing my title of the video here, today I'm talking about I already and almost quit making video. Like I think I have to rock up with YouTuber on my channel today. It's really sad to say about. I think many of you who are YouTuber are also wondering the same question. Are you looking for starting a new channel? Maybe after some couple of months, you will receive that this feeling like I do. And the purpose I'm sharing this before you start, you may see some difficulties. It's not only about the reward, you become famous on YouTube. Yes, one of my video, two of my video become famous, and a lot of people comment and chat with me. It's really fun, but besides that, there is a lot of things that keep pulling you back from where you start, and here's what I need to face. I don't know where to start, but there are some reasons that keep stopping me from making videos. I think the first one maybe about I feel loss of motivation. The thing I really love to share, to be honest, is about meditation, about some guidelines and supporting technique, but mostly focus on how to help others to meditate better. Maybe that kind of niche is not as strong trait of me, like I'm not having enough experience to step up, and the audience, you guys are expecting more from this, a trainer, for example. And I found some interesting is that lots of you guys love to hear the story about how I sharing the technique to stop the YouTube banner, to have more freedom watching music or to play game, or just only to focus on watching YouTube. And that kind of like blowing my mind. That is something that I may feel I are really good at, but I think everyone knows it. And yeah, I don't think that some of you are not knowing the technique to do it. And you guys are asking me a lot about sharing the next video about how to make it on Android user. I try to make the one, but hard to say that it's really stuck at the editing process, because I feel like I don't have enough motivation to share about that when it's not a thing I like to share. The second thing I think is the YouTube not have any guarantee on a job site project. Like you make a project, another project, but you don't know when the channel will get monetized or when you can get like a little bit money. Like you invest and like nothing guarantee that you receive anything. So that is the second thing that's stopping me from making video. And the third thing I think is my life changed a lot. During this year, I have been positive with the COVID-19 twice. Luckily, I'm still survived here. The second thing is my job, my primary job changed a lot. Yeah, I got promoted to become senior, and it's a lot of change. I have new clients to meet, new products to learn, and I also support the training members. And I think that's all. Thank you for listening. It's just a sharing about why I almost quitting YouTube. And another thing I want to say, if you are still watching until now, I think mostly you are my parents, or you're my girlfriend, or maybe you are some of friends that I don't really know. But really, I really appreciate that you watching my video, and I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. because without you, without your supporters, maybe I cannot survive. I cannot sustain. But others are not good. But yeah, thank you for watching again. I really appreciate all of you guys. And this video is like a promise I tell to myself. Maybe I don't know, but I'll keep posting, and I promise I will change the voice of the tone to higher, more positive, more energy. But for today, please forgive me and give me some time to relax and start again with something. And what we fresh start again. Just do it slowly, not stop. Thank you. Thank you.